Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to export contacts on iCloud. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to go and tap open settings from your iPhone or your iPad. Now, tap on the Apple ID banner located at the top of the screen where you can see your name. Tap on the iCloud option from the list and then tap on the Show All option. Find the contacts in the list and toggle the switch right next to contacts and make sure that it turns green. Now, if you'd like to merge with existing local contacts on your iPhone, tap on Merge and then this will now enable iCloud to sync your contact. Now, open up the Contacts application from your iPhone. Tap on Contacts from the list and then choose the contact you want to export. Press hold the contact you would like to export and then tap on Share from the pop-up. Now click on Save to Files and then make sure that you're inside the iCloud Drive option. Tap on the Save button at the top right after you are done and you will now be able to export the selected contact to iCloud Drive. So that is how you can easily export your iCloud contacts. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.